Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, apparently. That was a fly over there. But I just saw a fly. Hmm. Okay. Man, they're just lazy. Yeah. True.
Let's put that bullshit behind us. Let's go where they can't find us. Let's take it back when we're breaking that up in the trap, baby. You on my router. Let's take it back to remind us. Before the fame and the cameras. Fuck it, let's boost up the standards. Now that them haters can't stand us. We act like we don't want to talk to each other. Let's put the pride to the side. We act like we don't want to fuck with each other. Let's put that pride to the side. Come hop in the way with a nigga. Come fuck up. We got the style aside. You got too much of that pride. You need to put that aside. You need to stop on your bullshit. Like you want to talk to a nigga. Like you want to rock with a nigga. Be at the top with a nigga. Call shots with a nigga. Flex and floss with a nigga. Trying to act like you don't even remember them days. You stood on the block with a nigga. I ain't gonna lie, baby, you do be tripping cause you be getting mad for no reason. I'm finna go, you get mad cause I'm leaving. And you swear a nigga cheating. Let's take it back when we were riding dirty. You put my dope in your cleavage. You took risks to get into it with bitches and still with her, I can't believe it. Sending texts like, fuck you, I'm finna do me. I'm tired of looking like a fool. And I be like, cool, I don't give a fuck. Go ahead, do you. 1 minute you this way, the next one you that way. You be in and out of moves. Pick a way you gotta choose. Or you gonna fuck around and lose. We act like we don't want to talk to each other. Then put the pride to the side. We act like we don't want to fuck with each other. Then put the pride to the side. Come hop in the ring with a nigga. Look up, it got the stars inside. You got too much of that pride. You need to put that aside. You all in your feelings, constantly tripping, cause I ain't come home that night. You slept all alone that night. I ain't picked up the phone that night. Told you I was at at the studio, putting the work in, coming
I feel
over.
like it's gonna rain.
Like, nah, you alive.
Yeah, I know.
You so insecure up in the mind. You like, yeah, you better do whatever I want, but all I really want is time. All I really want is you to be healed and for you to stop all
Okay.
that line. Then I walk away like, fuck it, man. I ain't trying to hurt you, but you gotta say, then there it goes. We don't talk for some days, cause I tried to be. Cause you feel like you right and I feel like I'm right. Too busy acting like kids. Let's get the bullshit to the back of us. Double R's in the back of us. Let's have a millionaire vibes. Let's keep the pride to the side. Let's put that bullshit behind us. Let's go where they can't even find us. Let's take it back when we're breaking that dope in the truck, baby. You on my rider. Let's take it back to remind us. Before the fame and the cameras. Fuck it, let's boost up the standards. Now that them haters can't stand us. We act like we don't want to talk to each other.
Guys, do you hear that?
We act like we don't want to fuck with each other. Put that pride to the side. Come hop in the ring with a nigga. Come look up. They got them stars.
But I sent the fireworks happening.
Put that aside.
Yeah.
When I get some more money, I'm gonna get some.
Oh, okay.
Get a lot.
Bitch, talk about she finna
Okay.
jump my sister, bitch. Nobody finna jump my sister. Who finna jump in? Cause bitch, I'm most definitely finna step. Fuck you talking about? Fuck or something.
Oh, shit. Big Frank in this motherfucker, man. Hey, this for all the rats. I don't give a fuck.
Fight the man, tell your bitch I said that. Bitch, I got 40 shit.
Man, my eyes.
Hey, if you ain't know shit, the door is where you heading at. Yeah, baby, up and watch the kids where they landing at. Hey, big fight.
What?
No, what to the phone?
They gone off.
Oh, they right there.
Oh, there's one.
Okay, come on.
Dang.
Can you squeeze that? Squeeze what? 15. Ass like a fat Dennis busting out the jeans. Suck a dick, I'ma wake your mama up. I'ma scream. Damn fresh as fuck, hard head, Mr. Clean. Hey, doing on my dick, going bounce like a spring. Yeah, smoking on exotic eyes low, lean. Make your bitch kiss your feet.
Please have me. Please. People, what happened to the fireworks?
I
People,
don't know why they cut off like
how
that.
do y'all waste all that firework away? They wasted all that.
Oh.
Are you sure they was popping over here? So there's some fireworks here. They was
Hey.
You wanna go to Tips?
Huh? Okay.
What they do at the mall?
Okay.
Wait. Boy!
Oh.
Like a purple niggas breathe on your top. 7412, I ain't gotta pull a nighter. Only this, I got lines on this floor. Her ass better, she got stripes like a slinger. Moon and you, where you feel you sport. Honey, baby, homie, got this shit up in my floor. Now I get there, no jiffy, drop the low. Fucking on to me, that you gon' go ghost it. No light bill, ain't you tired of that? Pull up in my condo, and I'm fucking down. How many times you call my phone up and spin a beat? I fully ain't on shit, I'm sitting up back like ready. Stepping on my ass on in the striker. I've been shitting on these niggas, man, yeah, I need a diaper. I'm in a bush with the green day, looking like a sniper.
Oh, it is out the phone. Oh, yeah. Keep popping though. Keep popping.
Oh, it's at the park.
Keep popping though. That's all? I don't like the camera guy. Why? I'm just being the best. That shit low key
Hey, blow. Hey, where the Rex, where the wool, bust it down, get it wet. Can't even take my bitch no lunch, cause I got Danny on the south, but I got bottle on the west. Sorry, what the fuck you doing? Fly this whip like a J, make a lift. I just seen him at the light. Gotta make it home, say my prayers every night. And they say you on your own, so you better get it right. I'm like, how the fucking hell did this fire bring me ice? JD fucking up the side to a 9 from a split. No, I'm lying, that shit flying, need to die by the brick. You ain't dying by no money, but you dying by the bitch. It be hard to get my money or my time to a bitch. Diamonds and shit. I know it's going on strictly business, or we gon' get busy, nigga.
Damn it, fire.
I feel like we was made for this shit. Now we lit as fuck, getting paid for this shit. Nigga mad as fuck cause I laid with his bitch. And I wish you would've put up cause I stayed with the stick, yeah. She said she be turned to that shake back. Shooting through the city down the rock when she play that hood. Nigga don't flash that hood, nah, I been made that. Cracking hard off these phones, I might drop a stop. Cause if you want top chef, I need 45. Don't worry about what I pay and take the drive. And my brother called me right around, you know I'ma slide. Playing crazy with the game, that's a suicide. Chop a fat with a beam on head. All my little shooter don't freeze on me. I feel like Joe Clark, all this lean on me. You know I got a fuck like a leash on me.
Where the Rex, where the wool, bust it down, get it wet. Can't even take my bitch no lunch, cause I got Danny on the south, but I got my own west. Sorry, what the fuck you doing? Fly this whip like a J, make a lift. I just seen him in the light. Gotta make it home, say my prayers every night. They say you on your own, so you better get it right.
I don't know, Mullen.
Oh, The other one.
Holy crap.
Girl, guess who baby daddy popping they pussy in my motherfucking bed?
Not a Miami. No, that's a satellite.